Are you looking for a sleek, functional, and sustainable way to season your meals? Let's dive into the electric salt and pepper grinder set, a game changer in the kitchen. With an upgraded grinding capacity of 2.5 ounces, 250% larger than most grinders, this set is perfect for small households or larger families. Say goodbye to constant refills and hello to a smoother cooking experience. What makes this set stand out is its rechargeable feature. Each grinder comes with a Type-C cable for quick charging, lasting about a month with regular use. No more disposable batteries cluttering your drawer or harming the environment. It's a sustainable option that saves money and promotes a greener lifestyle. Plus, the premium stainless steel design gives your kitchen an elegant touch. The customization doesn't stop there. With 6 adjustable coarseness levels, you can tailor the grind to suit any dish. The high-hardness ceramic grinder ensures maximum flavor and aroma retention, perfect for enhancing your meals. Plus, it's scientifically designed to handle salt and pepper at different speeds for precise seasoning. A built-in LED light ensures accurate grinding, even in dim settings, ideal for dinner parties or late-night cooking. Finally, this grinder set isn't just practical, it's a thoughtful gift too. Packaged in an elegant box, it's perfect for any occasion, from birthdays to housewarmings. With washable parts and a cleaning brush included, maintaining it is a breeze. Upgrade your kitchen game with this stylish, durable, and efficient salt and pepper grinder set. It's not just a tool, it's an experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews. See you next time.